He who dwells in the secret place of God Most High shall rest in the shadow where His presence lies. I will say of the Lord, You're my refuge, my King, my fortress, my shelter, my everything. You are my refuge, my hiding place. Under Your wings I am safe. I will not fear what comes my way. In You, my God, I will remain. Oh, You deliver me from every hidden snare, from disease and darkness rising in the air. You cover me, Lord, with Your faithful hand. Your truth is my shield. In You I stand. You are my refuge, my hiding place. Under Your wings I am safe. I will not fear what comes my way. In You, my God, I will remain. I won't fear the terror creeping through the night, or the arrows flying in the daylight sky. Though thousands may fall around my side, Your promise, Lord, will be my guide. Your angels guard me wherever I go. They lift me up. I am never alone. I'll walk on danger. It won't bring me down. In Your name I stand on holy ground. Because I love You. You rescue me. You hear my call. You answer me. In every trial You stay the same. You lift me high when I call Your name. You are my refuge, my hiding place. Under Your wings I am safe. With long life, Lord, You satisfy and show salvation. Oh, my love.